This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable sensitive content on Facebook. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Facebook. To enable or disable sensitive content on Facebook, you want to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on Settings and Privacy. And then down towards the bottom of this, you can see it says Content Preferences. Click on Content Preferences. And in the little dialog box that opens up, it says Manage the content that you see on Facebook. It says what you see. You can manage political content here. Down below that is sensitive content. I'm going to click on sensitive content. It says sensitive content, like certain graphic or violent content. By default, the top one's probably toggled on. As you see, mine is default. It says you might see this content. The only other option it gives you is the bottom one here, show less. It says you might not see this content. If you toggle that one on, you may not see sensitive content. Then you would click on Save. Then you would click on OK. That is how to enable or disable sensitive content on Facebook. Thanks for watching.